What's up, what's up, what's up? So before I get started, make sure you hit that bell on the side, like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. So those that don't know, if you watch my video for the first time, I was an ex-trucker. I used to drive over the road for a company called Swift. If you haven't heard of Swift, for a company called Swift, and I came home. I came home local. And before I did that, I was working in the warehouse. I could drive any machine in the warehouse, the reach trucker, order picker, the double rider, you name it. Any machine in the warehouse I could drive. And but I wasn't working for the warehouse then. I was actually working for a golf course, doing the fairways, the greens, and I got pretty good at that. But I was like, this isn't it. This isn't it for me, you know. So a friend of mine came to me and told me that I should try to get my CDL license. So that's what I did. Got my CDL license, went over the road, and they charged me. But my dad would always tell me, growing up, he would always tell me to, go to college and get a skill set, get your knowledge, and get a skill set that either go to school and get knowledge or get a skill set that they can never take from you once you have it. And so I didn't really want to go to college. So, I decided to get a skill set with get my CDLs, and now that I have them, even though the economy's bad, I can get a job over the road anytime I get ready. So I didn't want to go over the road. So I had heard about Forex trading like 3 years ago. A friend of mine told me about it, an old business partner, 3 years ago, and I wasn't interested because I did not network marketing before, and I was tired of it. I didn't want to be bothered with it. So fast forward 3 years now. His wife wasn't interested in it, and she's making six figures a year. He's making six figures a year, along with their trading, what they're doing trading. So I said, it's time for me to start learning how to trade. So, and I was just telling a friend recently that because people talk about stocks and Forex and stocks are two different things, two different ball games. You know, the money that's being made, being generated daily on a daily basis in the Forex market is over $1 trillion. So I decided to learn how to trade, and I was telling a friend that if you just say on the low end, if you can make $50 to $100 a day, how would that change your life along with your job? A lot of people quit their jobs and just trade full time with the strategies they teach. So as you've seen in the flyer in this video, it's $99 to invest to learn the skill set that lasts you the rest of your life. And if you get your kids involved, if you have kids, it lasts the rest of their life as well. So take advantage of it. This company is brand new, it's only a year old. And if you know anything about anything, once people find out about something, it's going to catch fire. And you better be, hopefully you're one of the ones that are taking advantage of it in the beginning. So anyway, this is Guns Tip. You can find me on, I'm a real person. You can find me on Facebook at Guns Tip Moon. You can shoot me an email, Pips, PIPSN, Guns, GUNNN, tips@gmail.com. I'll post it underneath this video, so you can find me, hit me up if you're interested in learning, or comment on this video if you're interested in learning about the Forex market. And with our team is committed to helping 1,000 people, 1,000 families, whether you're a business owner, whether you're a church or nonprofit. We are committed to helping you throughout this pandemic. So reach out to me, contact me, so we can see what we can do to help. Churches are already being helped, people are already being helped, and it's something, like I said, once you learn it, then they'll better take it from you. So that's it. That's all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll make sure I see you in the next video. You be safe. You be blessed. This is Guns Tip Moon, a Guns Tip. I'm out.